Hey guys, it's Von Julian. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your splits in only one day. So let's get started. The first stretch that we're going to do is reaching each side, and we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Come on up, and we're going to do it on the other side. And now we're gonna try to face each legs, and we're going to hold it for 15 seconds. And now let's do it on the other leg. The next one is we're going to bend one leg at a time, pushing your straight leg towards the ground 5 times on each legs. Now straighten your legs up and lean your chest onto your knees. Now go into downward dog and push your chest towards the ground to stretch out your hamstrings. Next, we're going into a deep lunge. And now try to point your flexed foot. While you're in a lunge, try to pull your back leg towards your chest. Go into a backwards lunge by straightening your front leg while bending your back one, and try to lean your chest onto your knees. Now we're going to bend our front leg, and we're going to reach down for a deeper stretch. Now we're going into a pike stretch to stretch out our hamstrings more. We're going to hold it for 10 seconds. Don't give up. Stay strong. I know you can do this. Now we are going to hold our split like this. Just don't give up. Be strong, and you will notice an improvement every time you try this routine. Congrats! You finished the routine. So that is it for this video. I hope it helps you get your splits, and if you didn't get your splits in one day, feel free to repeat this routine every day. See you guys in my next video.